Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how can you fix iPhone battery draining so fast. So guys, if you are facing this problem, then how can you fix it? So guys, let's start our video without wasting any time. So first of all guys, what we need to do is simply open setting, tap on general, tap here software update, and make sure that there is no update on your iPhone. If they have any update, then update it first and check if the problem is fixed or not. If it is still not working, then simply go back, tap your display, tap your accessibility, tap your display and text size, and simply scroll down and turn off auto brightness. So guys, after this simply go back, tap your privacy and security, tap your location service, and turn this toggle off. So guys, after turning off, simply go back, tap here again journal, tap here background app refresh, and turn this toggle off. So check if the problem is fixed or not. If it is still not working, then simply tap on battery, tap here low power mode and enable low power mode, and after this simply go back and tap on journal, tap here transfer or reset iPhone, tap here reset, tap here reset in all setting, enter your iPhone passcode, and simply reset your setting, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.